Dear friends, as we begin this Holy Week, let us be reminded of our faith in God the Almighty. Today, the world is facing the biggest challenge as we deal with the crisis of COVID-19. As Christians, we have hope in the Word of God that is guiding us to deal with the situation. The Bible tells us numerous times that nothing is impossible with God. The Bible encourages us to believe in God and that all things are possible with Him. Jesus was a great example of this, performing miracles in His time that many would have considered impossible. May these verses inspire all of us and provide us with wisdom, courage, and strength. For most of us, this lockdown period has given us time to spend with our loved ones. However, this should also be an opportunity for us to come closer to God and be reminded of Jesus Christ, who laid His life in the cross. Holy Week is the most important week for the Christians across the globe. It is a time when we celebrate in a special way the life, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. We remember His actions, reflect on His messages, and recommit to living as His disciples in the world today. I wish all the people of the state, particularly the Christians, that during this Holy Week, we share our love and compassion as we unite with our neighborhood and society to spread peace and joy amongst all. Have a blessed Holy Week and a blessed Good Friday to all. Thank you.